In this video, I'll show you how to write numbers like this. So you can have first, second, third, fourth, and so forth in Excel. Let me show you how I did it. Write out what you want. So you could do right first, second, third, fourth. Click on the cell, and then up at the top here, you need to select the letters that you wish to edit. So in this case, we want to edit the S and the T. And we want to edit them so they appear up above the number, just like this. Now here in the font section, whilst this is still highlighted, you must click on the small arrow. This will bring up the font settings. You can then see options here. You've got superscript and subscript. Subscript will put the numbers lower down, and superscript will put the numbers up above, which is what we want. So tick the box for superscript and then press OK. What you can do though, rather than doing that for each one of them, which is one option, so I'll show you once again, superscript, there we go. You can speed up the whole process by doing the first one and then dragging down, and suddenly you've got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th all written in the correct format like you wanted. Let's try this with a date though. So we've got the 1st of November. I'll select the S and the T up at the top. I'll click on the small arrow in the font section to go to font settings. I'll choose superscript. I'll click OK. I'll expand this so we can see all of the date. Once again, I'll click on the cell, the little square at the bottom right of it, hover over it so your mouse cursor changes, drag it all the way down, and here we can see that the dates have been put into the correct format automatically. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please like the video, subscribe to my channel for more top tech tips.